Here at MarqMetrix, we believe that innovation starts from the ground up. So, in this video, we're going to take you on a tour of our state-of-the-art headquarters and production facility located in the heart of Seattle, Washington, to show you where and how our products come to life.
Our headquarters is where we handle almost every step of the production process. R&D, design, manufacturing, and quality testing all take place in the same location. Naturally, these teams all need to work together to bring our products to life. It takes just one walk through our 6,000 square foot office space to see that this company is built for collaboration. Precise equipment requires precise manufacturing. Our facilities are ISO 9001 certified for consistent quality. The production area gives employees ample room to hand-build MarqMetrix Raman devices. Plus, we can use this space for prototyping, development, and to test our product's ability to integrate with other process equipment. Of course, it is not just our production facilities that make MarqMetrix special, but also our 20+ years of expertise in the Raman business. In order to keep driving this technology forward, we have a state-of-the-art optics lab on site. This is where we continue to conduct quality testing, run experiments, and showcase our product's abilities to customers. Just a short walk away is our in-house machine shop in case we need to manufacture modifications or bring R&D ideas to life. When employees need a break, they have access to our rooftop deck with fantastic views of Lake Union and downtown Seattle. MarqMetrix prides itself on providing an inspiring facility for its employees so that we can attract the best minds, personalities, and talents in the field. Excellent staff leads to excellent products, which is what we strive to manufacture here at MarqMetrix. Be sure to follow our social media pages to learn more about MarqMetrix and our unique approach to process ramen. If you have any questions, check out our website or send us an email. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more ramen content, and thanks for watching.